Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find a promo code for Mercari. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device. I'm going to head on over to Google, and then from here in the Google search bar I'm going to type in Mercari promo code. Then once I've done that, hit enter, and then you come to a whole list of results, and you can see here you got Retail Me Not 10% off Mercari coupons, promo codes, deals for June 2024. I'm making this video in June 2024, and you got We Thrifted coupons, all these are different discounts. So the one, well, you got Don't Pay Full as well. So these are the top 4 or 5 third-party retailers that are great for getting coupon codes. So for this demonstration, all these work. So I'm going to click on don'tpayfull.com, and now you've got to get through the captcha on this particular website. Once you've done, you can see all these discount codes here, or promo codes you can click onto and use. So for demonstration, I'm going to click on the up to 30% off $100 orders plus for members. So if you're not a member with Mercari, go ahead and sign up to be a member, and then copy this code, paste this code at the checkout section of Mercari to receive your 30% off your $100 plus orders.